PRO against the impeachment complaint filed against the Vice President Sara Duterte. This is based on constitutional as well as legal grounds. We feel that the impeachment complaint is constitutionally deficient. It is a violation of pertinent constitutional provisions, and it is likewise jurisdictionally void, and the same should be dismissed and not entertained by the Senate of the Republic of the Philippines. That, in essence, is the foundation of our complaint.
Why defective?
It is very defective because, first, it did not consider the 3 priorly filed impeachment complaints. It did not likewise consider due process to the Vice President, and it did not also follow the constitutionally prescribed verification process. And because of these 3 and other grounds, the impeachment complaint should be dismissed and not entertained, rather.